नमस्कार. जय श्री कृष्ण. श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद, श्री Advaita Gadadhara, Shrivasti Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Enunciating the significance of Devashayani Ashadi Ekadashi. Ekadashi refers to the 11th tithi of a lunar month. There are two Ekadashi in every lunar month, out of which one falls during Shukla Paksha, waxing phase, and the other during Krishna Paksha, waning phase. Ekadashis are devoted to the worship of Lord Vishnu. The Ekadashi that falls during the Shukla Paksha brighter fortnight during the month of Ashad is known as Ashadi Ekadashi. It is known by different names such as Devashayani Ekadashi, Toli Ekadashi, Padma Ekadashi, Devapodhi Ekadashi, Maha Ekadashi, Hari Shayana Ekadashi, etc. Ashadi Ekadashi Vrat rituals. Devotees of Lord Vishnu wait for this auspicious occasion to pay their deep respect and devotion to Lord Vishnu and his consort, Goddess Lakshmi. People observe, fast, and pray to him to get blessed by the Supreme Entity himself. The rituals of Ashadi Ekadashi Vrat, according to the scriptures, are given as follows. First, devotees who observe Ashadi Ekadashi Vrat must wake up early in the morning and purify themselves with a holy bath. Second, during midday, rituals are performed to pay homage to the souls of descendant ancestors and let them rest in peace. Third, an altar is set up to perform the puja rituals and the puja sthal is cleaned to be embellished with the idol of Lord Vishnu. Fourth, Lord Vishnu's idol is dressed in yellow colored clothes. Fifth, betel leaf, pan, betel nut, supari, yellow flower, sandalwood, etc. are offered to Lord Vishnu. Sixth, the people who are observing the Ashadi Ekadashi Vrat are allowed to consume food only one time a day. Seventh, during the Paran period on the next day, the fast can be broken by consuming food. Legend associated with Ashadi Ekadashi Vrat. Once upon a time, there lived a king named Mandhata. During his reign, the prosperity of his kingdom flourished, and as a result, all his subjects were pleased with him. But the tides turned, and there came a period during which his kingdom was subjected to drought and famine. Being the great ruler he always was, King Mandhata went on a journey to find a solution to the problem because of which his people were being tormented. On his way, he met sage Angira, who advised him to observe a fast on the Ekadashi of the month of Ashad to combat the problem his kingdom was facing. King Mandhata returned to his land and told his people to follow the words of sage Angira. The whole kingdom observed the fast and prayed to Lord Vishnu. Lord Vishnu was pleased with the faith and devotion that the people of the kingdom had for him. As a result, it rained in buckets, and the kingdom got rid of the problem which had plunged them into depth of despair. It was all achieved with the devotion of the people and the divine blessings of Lord Vishnu. Since then, Ashadi Ekadashi is considered as the most sacred day to devote oneself in the veneration of Lord Vishnu. Significance of Ashadi Ekadashi. Commonly denoted by the name Devashayani Ekadashi, it marks the commencement of Lord Vishnu's slumber period, which continues for 4 months. During this period, Lord Vishnu sleeps on Sheshnag, moves to the Kshirsagar ocean of milk to rest on Sheshnag. The 4-month-long slumber is known as Chaturmas. Any kind of auspicious activity is avoided during Lord Vishnu's period of sleep. The period ends on Prabodhini Ekadashi or Dev Utni Ekadashi after completing 4 months of Lord Vishnu's nap, and he wakes up. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.